podcast, Radio and Stuff. It's another beautiful episode. Welcome to EPRS Podcast, Radio and Stuff. Thank you so much for showing us so much love, and thank you so much for continuing to subscribe. Thank you so much for continuing to share our page. We continue to bring you the best of the best, especially when it comes to radio and also other avenues. There is one interview that is going to be coming up, which is got nothing to do with radio. But today we have a woman who is in radio. But before I even introduce her, there's a man who's smiling and looking at me. I don't know, maybe it's the lady who's making him smile, or it's what I'm saying.
I'll tell you what's making me smile. Ngibuka intshebe yakho ukuthi uqala ukuqhakaza imhlophe. And last week indodakazi yami ngibuza ukuthi tata indaba unentshebe emhlophe, so sengiqala ukuqhakaza nje kancane la. Angazange ukuthi ngizoyichaza ngithi leyo ndaba ukuthi indaba ngiqala ukuqhakaza. I said it's because I'm old, and she's like, but so why it's getting white? It doesn't make sense. So how do you answer that question? Have you ever had that question?
No, I haven't.
You haven't? Okay.
Question, no.
If you've had that question, please help me answer the question. I really struggle to answer the question why Ntshebe yami is getting white.
All I know is that when it started, I didn't like it. But I figured out that there's nothing I can do about it.
Do you like it now?
There's nothing I can do about it.
Yazi kuthiwa ingane ziyayithanda intshebe emhlophe. Lami igama nguNtobeko wakhulu. Hello, welcome to It's podcast, radio and stuff. So quite excited, Dogozo. I almost said Ndobeko. It's gonna be a confusing one because I'm Ndobeko, you Ndogozo, and we have a beautiful guest today.
Yes.
And her name is Ndogozo.
Ndogozo Tembani.
Welcome to it, Ndogozo.
Oh, sanibonani.
How are you?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Siyaphila, siyajabula ukuba nawe. You're looking beautiful.
Thank you so much. No, nani khona ngiyabona.
It's the first time I hear this. Ukuthi nathi sibahle siyabonga Ndogozo.
No, phela vale ngicome khona.
Khona akufani.
No,
but we try to clean up a little bit.
No, looking clean there.
Okay.
Right, ngiyabona.
We avoided TV for a reason. Because kufuna abantu abahle njengawe ku-TV. So when we chose a career, we chose radio. You see, and now we find ourselves in front of cameras.
Yeah. So you are reinforcing the stereotype about radio people. Is the stereotype true? Stereotype is.
Absolutely. I think kakhulu for me it's about masebengibona. It's not really about ukuthi ngimuhle noma ngimubi, but it's like mayezwe voice yami eradweni. Mayese ngibona akalindele ukubona umuntu omncane kwesinye isikhathi, ulindele umuntu osekukhula, akalindele nje short base itongo elincanyana, yabo, ulindele ukubona nje mhlawumbe usisi nje okhulile onesizotha, yabo. Then mayese bona mina ayibo, this person is loud, this person is bubbly, this person is totally opposite of what I expected, because mangabe umuntu oseredweni and uma ufunda indaba you fanele begive personalities nesizotha khona abantu udemande ukuthi bakulalele at that particular time, because you have about 3 to 5 minutes of capturing idlebe lomuntu at that particular moment.
Yeah.
And then that's it. Ayikho any chance yokuthi asiqale phansi asobona ngelink elandelayo, you know. So it's that top of the hour, and then the next top of the hour, the next top of the hour, and that's it.
You know, I agree, and it's stereotype lesenkhuluma ngaso ukuthi yes bathi amazwi abantu be radio afani nabo, kodwa ke futhi bathi abantu be radio banobuso be radio akumele bavele ku-TV. Akumele bavele ku-TV.
Nah, I know. I mean, I was just joking. Sibahle nje sonke esisebenza kwi-radio.
Oh no, man, that's not true.
No, sibahle. Senziwe ngomfanekiso kaNkulunkulu, so sibahle sonke, guys. It's just that i-radio i-theatre of the mind, Ndogozo. So when you speak and abantu abakuboni, they begin to create their own picture in the mind. Now when they see the real picture, it's not what they created in the mind.
Yes, when somebody listens to you, uyakhathi ukodwa lo muntu wesifazane ilenkosazana uyabona nje ngathi situfuza a create and then mayese kubona yabo that's why ke besho uthi ngazuthi abantu beready abanabo ubuso belentuza TV no ubuso beready buyindlela ethize umuntu bayilento bengayilindeni.
Yeah, it's always an anticlimax to meet a radio person like okay make it to buka differently, but hey, welcome Ntokozo.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthi nje nami ngimeme. Thank you so much.
Yeah, uKuvuma FM.
Yes.
What do you do at Vuma FM?
Well, at the moment chief sub editor wakhona weindaba ngisebenza kwi news department yakhona, and I edit some bulletins ange weekend.
Okay.
And holidays as well. Bese I'm also a field reporter ngisebenza ngaphandle. I also compile indaba. I also, when time avail and kukhona igap, I do read neindaba as well.
Beautiful.
And I also produce a show. My special show.
Okay.
I also produce a Sunday News Rep hosted by Uzo Wakimbata and technical Mukono Neopotwan every Sunday between 7 and 8, where sipega ama issues atinda continent yethu.
Yes.
Bese futhi atinda nezo lonke. We look at ama issues atinda South Africa but connect us with ama yamazwe angaphandle, whether we continent or globally.
Okay, so it's going to be an interesting one because for the very first time we have a news person,
yes.
and you do a lot, in
Kuningi.
Yeah. So mina ngiqala ukwazi ukuyivuma. That is when I started to know you, ngilandela umsebenzi wakho, and there were times bengibuza ubambile certain shows.
Oh yes.
Yes, bengikulalela ubambile. And when I first met you in person, it was through Mlwazet.
Oh yes, that's my friend. Yes.
Nangiyaku event in Mlwazet, then I met you in person. But then when I checked your profile, ngabona ukuthi hayibo uqale i-radio career yakho isiyathuthuka.
Yes.
Endwedwe.
Yes, ngiqale eSiyathuka FM. It was in 2009 mangabe ubaba wami ephelele umsebenzi bengifunda eISASA City Campus studying my journalism diploma, and uyazike lapha ubungekho kuNSFAS at that time.
Yeah.
So mangabe I had to quit unyaka wami3.
Okay.
While I was studying.
It was your final year.
Yes, it was my final year. I think my exams lawa wokugcina, and lapha it was very strict. Wawungeke uzungene nje.
Awubhali ungakhokhile.
Yes, awubhali nje ungakhokhile. So I had to quit my third year, and then ngaloyo nyaka loyo ngezwe kuthiwa kune radio ezovulwa eNdwedwe, and I was excited because mawufunda journalism you are able to align yourself ukuthi ngifuna ukuba sephepheni, ngifuna ukubhala, or ngifuna ukuvela ku TV, or ngifuna ukuba se radioweni. As umntwana ngikhula bengenayi confident kangako, like ukuthi ngathi TV, as much as I know ukuthi TV ngingakwazi ukuyenza because of the experience that I've had now, nokukhula nje nokuzamkela indlela engiyona, I know ukuthi I can be able to do it much. But I fell in love with the radio while I was studying because uthisha wami she was a UKZN student, and wayesifundisa umnandi broadcasting, and I enjoyed it, so I knew ukuthi radio ngiyayithanda. So ngathi mangabe ngingakwazi ukuqedela my studies ngaloyo nyaka loyo ngezwe kuthiwa kuvula iRadio eNdwedwe, soqala nje kwenziwa ama auditions, train senziwa ama auditions, lapha ngazi umuntu eNdwedwe akaze ngiye before, anginazo ngisho isihlobo khona. So mangizoze kuthiwa kuzoba neRadio ezovula eNdwedwe, I remember saqala satrainwa. It was exciting because ngangakaze ngibe se-studio before, as much as we had a mini studio. But ngangakaze ngibe se-studio, so i-studio sakhiwa sikhona while we are being trained around. It was exciting. Sibhala ama-links, sibhala ukuthi okay, this is how it's gonna be. Satrainwa sagcina sivuliwe ke-station sasisuka FM. I think we started in 2010.
I remember when you guys started very well because iSiyathuka, we used to work with the Vibe.
Oh yes.
And I was hosting a breakfast at Vibe at that particular time. So iSiyathuka had a slot esasingena in the early hours in the morning.
Yes.
Before ungene mina. So Babu Miyeza, Mamko and all those.
Yes, lesihlelo lama Zion.
Yes, babengena ekuseni. And even on the day bevalelisa when it was a joyous morning, sivalelisana, and then off they went to start.
Yeah.
So kusho ukuthi nina ngale nkathi ni trainer ngale bona basibevalelisa ngale.
Yes, satrainer nje sasitrainelwa around endaweni yaseNdwedwe elapha ngaseNdlovini embathi semthebeni. Satrainwa khona satrainer nje, it was a group of young people mostly and imnandi kakhulu. Nobody uthina sonke who had a radio experience before.
Sure.
Wake wasakaza, so sonke we were excited. Yabo ukuthi singakanikezwa nenhlelo, so wawunikezwa nje ngalelo langa whether you uzo prepare show yohlelo uthize 6 to 9, uzo prepare show 9 to 12, 12 to 3, or kuzothiwa nonto ozo prepare nje ishow yange weekend yabantu abathanda ubumnandi. Na as much as ushaya ubumnandi awubazi, you had to find a way ukuthi umcapture kanjani umuntu who ophuma endlini manje oyojive yabo. So satrainwa khona satrainer, and ukuba sesathusuka for lesa sikhathi ngaba khona into emnandi nge-community radio station, and I feel abantu abaningi manje abasayiboni ukuthi mawuse radio station ye-community explore everything. Enza konke
maningi amathuba.
Yes, enza konke. Wena mangabonza ishow ka 6 to 9 khuluma no programs manager uthi yasi ngicela ukwenza content producing current affairs. I'm interested, you know, ngiyafisa nami ukufunda. Mina sesithuka I did ishow ka 9 to 12 yona engayenza about 2 years, 9 to 12
weekdays.
Weekdays.
Okay.
And for the longest time mama tosi nje hawe bahamba nomunye umama ulingana nabo, you know, ukuthi mangabe kulesini ayibo I'd make sure ukuthi ngiprepareshile, and I was speaking to my bank ukuthi umuntu kaNkulunkulu kakhulu, so I was saying ukuthi ma iliphi nje verse ngizobabamba ngalo namhlanje ukuthi ama-verse ambalwa, you know, so lethi mangifika nje ngolesini abazi will know and will share with you ukuthi ulesini lo mnandi kangakanani. Ngangisusa lento ukuthi ngineminyaka emingaki, yabo ngangisusa ngina 22, no ways I need to capture labantu besifazane fanele ngisuke nabo kusukela ngo9 kambe mangphuma ngo12 basho bathi sesiyahlukana njalo, you know. So I did u9 to 12 for the longest time, and then ngenza u6 to 9 wango Sunday nakhona futhi it was a gospel show and yayimnandi kakhulu.
Wow.
Yo ngaqala ngayi-enjoy and yangenza nami futhi yabo ngaqala yabo because phela you must represent uhlelo lenzayo kwesikazi is very important indlela ophotheka ngayo, so there's abantu bak-align nalezo zinto, even ama-gigs engangiwathola ngalesa sikhathi hambisana ne-gospel, and nangaleso sikhathi futhi I made a lot of ama-artist e-gospel mayine emcimbi asho nontokozo sicela ukuthi bo-MC wethu yabo, so yangisiza kakhulu ilentuza uqalisa thuthuka. At that time I even did i-current affairs yakhona, ngayifunda indaba ngama-weekend. I also, there was a time la khona ngitry ngizame nje ngibona usika sport angibona ngeke yini sport get something umuntu efike enze current affairs yakhe bese nje enginikeza nje lwa 5 minutes kubalekile bese ngifunda nje mhlawumbe izitori ezo3 ze-sports ngisho ukuthi because I will listen to other research benza kanjani ngithi okay kuzoba isoccer kube i-cricket kube i-rugby mhlawumbe ngirep up ngama-fixtures kuzohamba kanjani yabo. So kwi-community radio station ngacosha okuningi yabo engicabanga ukuthi ngasikhathi ngisakwazi wakusayi excitement, but manje ngiyabona ukuthi kuyangisebenzela. That's why nje bathi umbuzo ukuthi I'm able to do izinto eziningi nakhona evuma, because ngiyabona ukuthi mawenze into eyodwa fanele uwenze kube kuningi, so that uma ngabe unyakaza umthwalo wakho umkhulu uyasinda naphambili uzofika futhi uchithe ukwazi ukuzuza abazuze futhi nabanye uzosebenzisana nabo.
So i-current affairs wayenza kwi-Siyathuthuka noma uyenza ngayirona?
Siyathuthuka FM ngikaze ngenze current affairs kodwa indaba ngayifunda ngeza ne-sports, but i-priority kakhulu i-focus i-programs manager wakhona ngangisakaza kakhulu, but mangisakaza ngibona ukuthi but mina phela ngingalayo, you know, because ngo-2012 I was able to go back. My sister took me back to school. I graduated in UKZN in the social work. She was like, "Hey, Mtakamasi, I've been doing this for 3 years. We come to the session. Siyabona ukuthi shothi ayikho into oyithandayo. This is what you love, and awudingi lutho okuthina ngayo uyayenza, because bengisebenza eKing Shaka Airport. Everybody knows ukuthi iKing Shaka Airport ivule ngo-2010. So bengifike ngisebenza ebusuku ngene ngo-2 ngiphume ngo-11, then ngihambe ngiyolala ekuseni ngivuke ngiyokwenza u9 to 12. So that's angifuna ukuhlupha abazali, ngifuna umuntu ozothi lento yakhe iyahlupha la ekhaya, and you are unable ukuthi umanager ukwazi ukuthola imali yokugibela, ukwazi nokuthi uyiphilise nani. So I was able to manage it for about 2-3 years, and then usisi wami was like, awuthi ngikubuyisele, and then I went back to ISESA ngenza lo ma subjects ayesalile. Then ngagraduate ngo 2012.
Nice.
Wow.
Nice.
Yes.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much. So mase ngiyagraduate.
Congratulations 12 years later.
Ngithola ngithuba. Kunezinto engaboli Nkosi yami.
Yes.
Like congratulations.
No, achieving a
Akwazi,
qualification is not a small thing.
yes.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much, guys. So mangibuyela back, I was like, I sengitholile ke. So angibone ngathi because this is Suka FM, my last year was 2013
Okay.
con. Because this is Suka FM, I worked even saying the diploma because abantu abaningi will say ukuthi hayibo sengine diploma ayingeke nje mina ngisebenza community radio station ngisebenze lento ze restaurant because I worked at a restaurant at airport ebusuku ngebuvuka ekseni. At that time ngibona ukuthi khona isikhathi ngimase sengikhathele ngithi yazi imphathi ngicela ukuthi ibandla ungifake ngama weekend. I did 10 to 2 and then I also did 6 to 9 wango Sunday. So I'll do 10 to 2 then I'll wake up and do 6 to 9 wango Sunday. So this is ngizokwazi ukuthi ngikwazi ukwenza izinto ngithola ama cent impilo iqhubeka because there's nothing more important mawungabe wenza into oyithandayo then don't be pressured ngobantu abaseceleni for them to doubt what you believe in, you know? Because as soon as kube khona idoubt ukuthi ezoyithatha imali yokugibela sazi angithoza lento yakhe bekhona nurse no teacher na there's so many things ongayenza because as soon as no matric nje try no enza lokho but wena enhlizweni yakho uyazi into oyifunayo ufuna uzama ngayo yonke indlela ukuyenza ukuthi ikusebenzele isebenzele nabantu futhi abaseduze kwakho especially umndeni kakhulu.
Yeah, but what one of the things that I'm picking up is that you were blessed with a family that understood the passion yakho, which many people bayastrugglisha ukuthola abantu aba-understanda i-passion yabo. Very quickly kuthiwa kanti lento yakho lena ulibele uyazwakala nje redweni udumile nje uyafonelwa kodwa ayikhokheli and it doesn't make sense. And I'm sure ukuthi unaba abantu ababaxoxela labo ukuthi hey but mina ekhaya actually they abayizwa lento. In fact nangeduze kwami naye njengawe he was doing community radio evele sebenza. So it's not like ukuba kwi community radio waye cela kubazali but why vele sebenza but still it didn't make sense kwabathile emndenini ukuthi why ulibele ukuzosakaza ungaboni
unholy nje lapha yana
isikhathi kuningi kakhulu. I think singasho nje sisizwe simnyama kakhulu. Ngicabanga ukuthi lasuka khona as isizwe simnyama abazali bethu nogogo bethu nomkhulu bethu indlela aba impilo ayakheleke ngayo emqondweni yabo nangendlela nabo abakhuliswe ngayo as soon as wenza izinto ethe ukuthi
ehlukile engajwayelekile.
Yes.
So asikaze nje kathembana sikaze nje sibe nomuntu ozozwakala eredweni hayi niyamangaza, you know. Even ama extended families as much as even abazali bakho sebeyibona and by adapt to this passion that you have for radio abanye maseceleni basi hayi nithola mali into ufuna ngayi driving
Because banabasakaza babonayo bona.
Obani hayibo unenzani lapho kanti unenzani unholy yabo. So kuyabathusa. I think ufunele nawe mangabe umuntu onalo passion leyo ubenze ba understand. I think mina ngesikhathi ngimatriculate because my first choice was arts. I love performing arts. I love the stage. I love performing.
Wow.
So if first choice yami ngabe performing arts sengithathiwe University of Pretoria ngithi nje gone hayi basi nje abazali sose
not there.
So Zoe Pretoria, so that was the issue changing like, the province.
No, the issue was uzohamba uyofundela uku-actor. Ukarabu abanini ku TV yophuba niyongena nini, you know. Uyongena nini wena uact hayi awuyicabangisise kahle lento. Yo ingabona usi inje enye sondele ukuthi engayenza sondele. As much as esikoleni ngangithanda because ngithanda ubasiphamba yabo like uMozo waphambili so whether we deliver poetry or mangenza speech, those type of things excited me. Ngisho ngiyiprepare nje mase sengithi prepare win and ngibuke sibukeni ngiready yabo. So ngangiwaphatha ama placards but everything ngisoke sengi memorize. So ngabona ukuthi I took time. I think my other choice was in a translation because ngangibona ukuthi ngizofika enkantolo ke nakhona futhi ngizoba ngisakhuluma
uthanda nje wena nje into ezokumisa
ngiyikhulumele yes and then I remember I read an article the late uXolani Gwala. That's he's a journalist. Useredweni. Bese back TV akhumbula khona shwa dance
asikhulume yes let's talk.
I took my time Shema, I understood what journalism was. Ngikametric that's okay, I think I could like this. I think this I could like as well. So ngaqala ke ngathatha uXolani Gwala njengoba enjalo ngamisa kubazali bami ngasho ngathi yabo umuntu menza journalism uvela ku TV kanje uthula inhlelo athula indaba ku TV ayithule naseredweni uyabhala emaphepheni kuningi nje umsebenzi khona yabo baqala ke ba understand but sure support
Nice.
Supported I can hamba kwenza journalism
Kodwa
I-performing cha.
Yeah.
So I was able to shift kalula then ngayenza ke journalism.
Nice. I just wanted to go back to Isiatoto a little bit just to wrap it up. So unto zoshiloti besebenzela iVibe FM Isiatoto ngabikhona eNdwedwe and there was that relationship I remember. And my community radio there are a lot of challenges a community radio. I imagine ukuthi ama challenges asiyathuka were even bigger because isendwedwe ngasekhala mnontokozo. Why I'm saying that Tina we had challenges but sasinogesu ohlala ukhona because sisebenzela endaweni eyilokishi amanzi ahlale khona sisebenzela endaweni eyilokishi umgwaqo samba kuwona is Third Road. Izinto zi around us. What are some of the challenges of kusebenzela community radio station esendwedwe emakhaya?
I think yabo masu uvula ulayini and ukhuluma nabantu in terms of ama challenges ababhekana nabo whether inkinga yamanzi or inkinga kagesi or it's poverty or it's any form of abuse masuwalalele now aya affect because when most of us come to the radio station, you are already working for more of an NPO.
Yeah.
So vele angeke uzokwazi na ungabasiza to an extent ukuthi batholela iminyango ethize bakwazi ukuthola ukusizakala. Also ukusebenza community radio station because yabo mali uthi nje awuholi. You come here and obviously money baningi there will be a lot of influence yabo ukuthi ngathi bakhona abaholayo. You'll work and you hear bakhona ngathi bakhona there's so many things. There's so many politics as well. We community radio station and I'm glad ngaqala we community because now commercial they don't affect me.
Can I ask you a question? Le party le yokuthi akholwa. Now mawusungaphandle. How much did it affect your self-esteem? Yeah, if ungayibeka kanjalo. Because personally sometimes yes ekhaya ngoba kufanele ngibe truthful but kubantu nje it was difficult to kubatshela ukuthi angiholi. I remember once kwabhalwe ephepheni ukuthi asiholi and I was not happy. Ukuthi why kubhalwe ephepheni? For you, how was that?
I think bekungena inkinga nami nje ubusho now when I have to talk about it kwi family yami.
Yes.
Because labantu bayimina nami ngiyibona. But as soon as umuntu akamakhelwane or umuntu wasemphakathini wayazi leyo nto I think it's an overload iba overload iba burden nakuwena kuyazwela kakhulu kuyathuna. I think for me when I even left a restaurant sengisesathuka nje kuphela because ngangifunda ngibona ukuthi kuyaphazamiseka nani ikwakunzima yabo masifanele uchaze hayibo manje uyaya nje hayi ngeke unini isikhathi sokudla ngeke nje mina ngine diploma nje mina nje ngihambe ngosebenza mahala mina kuyabona ukuthi isho ukuthi wemosowethu yasho ukuthi ish shuthi count wrong
wrong
and then you'll have to ukhulume nawe uphinde uyiphendule ukuthi no man vele this is how it's supposed to be yabo so mina vele la ngizele thing I'm here to learn yabo ngizocosha nje ulwazi base ngicosha ulwazi and then eminye iminyango kezovuleka ngizobe sengiyayisebenzisa.
Now very interesting what you mentioned that there is something that is very important and we always miss the mark. Kunabantu abafuna ukungena kwi radio abakwi community radio level kunabanye abasanda kungena and I think it is important for them to know ukuthi in the beginning passion needs to be above
Yes.
anything else, because in the beginning it's not going to be able to pay your bills. Ngaphandle ke mangabe ube nenhlanhla wathi i-beginning yakho kwaba kwi-commercial, i-beginning yakho kwaba kwi-public broadcaster, bakhona baba ne-beginning enjalo. But if you are going to start right from the bottom, you just need to have thick skin.
Yes, I think even umuntu who's a millionaire or billionaire today uzokutshela ukuthi yini yami driver when eqala. I think ayikho powerful nje ukuthi mawuqala into uyiqale ngogqozi nofuqufuqu nokulangazelela ukuthi mangiqala la kusho uzophela la. Mangiqala la khona la ngiyakhona, you know. I think abantu abaningi baze babe frustrated ngoba balalela ama voices aseceleni, but umuntu bese yalibala ukuthi kambe mina yini yangiletha la eSiyathuka FM. Ngangizokwenzani mina ke Sontokozo Thembani ya ngiyabona ama voices la aseceleni okay asiholi kunje indawo mhlambe sebenzela kuyona kanje mhlambe ushintshwe inhlelo nani wena ushintshwanga wena ngoba abanye bashintshiwe, you know, ama politics angaphakathi nani wena uvumelekile ukwenza izinto abanye abantu abakwayabo izinto enjalo. So I think ayikho into ebalekile nje ukuthi i-foundation of any passion that you have, it's either uthanda umculo, uthanda ukudansa, uthanda uku-actor, mawune passion, I think there's absolutely nothing ongakwazi ukuyenza, because i-passion yakho is a driver for you to sustain what you are doing and what you love. Uzokwazi ukwenza izinto ezokugenerate imali for people not to question of what you love and what you do, because uzokwenza ukuthi ungawarishi umuntu, like akekho umuntu ozokubuza ngeradio yakho if you uphile and uphanda ngezinye indlela zokwazi ukuthi uphile nawe. And passion foundation, and I think young people ngisibafuna izinto ezisheshayo, they miss it. So umuntu uzothi esahlala mhlawumbe 2 months kwi-community usezok-DM athi ngene kanjani Vuma, yabo mase usiklama usuyayilalela kwalento basethi uyayithumela
akakahlangani uyayizi potential but uyabona
potential but umsoco akaphumi, because you can never do radio with the talent alone. There are many other factors akhona owadingayo nje as a person, because mawenza radio you are the voice. Abantu bavule balalela wena nje yonke into esho bayikholwa. Mabe ngayikholwa bazohamba babheke ngayo and bazobuya back futhi wena bathi hayibo yazi into yakhuluma ngayo uqinisela langa yazi ngibonile kanje yenzeka kanje. So ayikho into ebalekile nje ukuthi understand the power of being in radio. Bese i-passion yakho ube yona driver early lapha kuma early stages, because abantu abaningi iveli ayithathe igcwale la ikhanda bese ke igcwalo community radio ayibonele ngathi usemkhulu kunayo ke manje ke when you give him or her a chance ukuthi azwakale, you know. But because of lama voices amaningi
anomthanda
ngimkhulu
uyarock
ngimkhulu then bese ke uyakingceka, because baningi a lot of people ba talented kakhulu bama community radio station, but ebese kulimala ukuthi ingqondo yakhe ikuphi. Yebo bese ilimale bese agcina engafinyelelanga ufuna afinyelele khona.
And it's the same passion ekhlaliswe kwiSiyathuka once we are move waya kwiVuma. How did joining iVuma come about?
In 2014 they were looking for a journalist.
Okay.
We went to school together with Thando Mchunu or wakhona kwiVuma FM.
Sure.
Wangitshela ukuthi uyazi kufuna ngalentatheli ano lapho ukuthi nifunda indaba ngesiZulu la kodwa bafuna umuntu ofunda isingisi nesizulu. So I think 2014 ngaya ka shortlist wakafika ngangilate futhi ke kwamhlanga ngawuqondi kahle. Ngawuqondi kahle kwamhlanga. So afika interviewed baso nje bathi indaba uzwazi uyifuna isingisi ngathi yebo. And we did a demo, senza isiZulu senza nesingisi. I guess also kwisikhathi because ngase ngimtshelela uNkulunkulu because I had resigned a year before eSiyathuka FM. No mina ngaseva ke community angihambanga nje. Ngathi bye cha hey. Ngaseva nje 30 days wamo December 2013 ngasho ngathi no thank you so much for your opportunity. I feel like I've learned everything that I needed la.
Sure.
Sengifuna ukubona ukuthi ama avenues akhona ngenza kanjani.
Oh, so njengoba uzwa ngale position kwiVuma, you are no longer on radio.
Yes, I was no longer on radio. Ngangasekho eSiyathuka FM at that time. Ngase sengihlalele, and again having introspection with myself. I've been doing this lesikhathi is almost 4 years, doing what I love and what I'm passionate about. Ngaze ngabuyela futhi ngayofunda, ngagraduate ngasithola certificate kulo 4 months if nje from December njengoba ngizoshiya if ngingatholi something then it's fine ngizozama ezinye izinto outside of journalism, outside of radio, ngibona ukuthi impela engisaphi. And then mangifike eVuma ke I started ngo May 2014. Mangifike khona ngangisafunda ngama-weekends, news, and then kanjalo kwaya ke ngaphumela nangaphandle, which was a bit scary kancane yabo, because phela mawuphuma ngaphandle already khona abantu asebezakhela amagama outside, you know. Mawufika kwifield ama-microphone maningi lapha, maningi ama-microphone, and unale fear yokuthi inkosi yami mangibuza mina kaze yabo
abanye sebeyazana
lama journalist bebona nabajabulana bayi-entertain nje niya kwi-media briefing, people are known, and sometimes it's not them, it's the brand they carry. I-microphone yakhe yamkhulumela aqala yena engakasho lutho, so vele they get that yabo speciality ukuthi khona
usebenzela ukuthi
khona sibani hayi siyaqala ke manje siyaqala ke i-media briefing ngoba khona sibani bani. So ukuba ngaphandle ke I think wangivula even further, because I knew ukuthi mangifika ngifuna ukuthi ngivaleleke endaweni yokuthi nje hayi ufunda indaba, that's it, and ngicine ngakubonanga lokho kunye kwama element of journalism in radio. We field reporting, you travel, sihamba everywhere, we province niyocosha indaba, and you feel it, because akufana kwe-community you package umsebenzi wakho vele kuthiwa nje upackage. We want to package you're trained ukuthi okay package yakho uzoyi-multitask nje, get communities, thola ikhansela, bese thola mhlawumbe umnyango, then isitori sakho siyabalance, afake ivoice yakho in between, bese uyasithumela isitori. Kuningi okufundayo ngayi-radio, at the same time futhi ukwakha ama-relationships nabantu mawuphuma ngaphandle, both ama-colleagues and also these political leaders mangabe siye kuma engagement, whether ma departments or whether political parties, kodwa ufunda kube kuningi okucosha umongo ngaphandle. Then I fell in love with field reporting. Ayingasho ngathi indaba ayisoyifunda, but ngathi la I'm enjoying myself kakhulu, so saqhubeka field reporting. And then 2020 lapho I think kwase kunesikhathi futhi ngikhona i-field report, ngenza kakhulu i-field reporting, and sometimes umphathi wami engekho I'll stand in ngimbambele in editing nani mangabe ngekho. So and then ngokuhamba kwesikhathi then babona ukuthi badinga i-assistance of umuntu angakwazi ukusebenzisana naye, you know, mangabe ngekho, no, because kufika kwakho kwaba khona isikhathi la khona kwaba khona ukuthi kufanele ngibamba isikhathi eside yabo, and kunezimo ezithize ezithinta yena. So I want to know my sebuye Ivuma decided it was an offer, you know. It's not something mhlawumbe ngabizwa for an interview, it was an offer also recommended by umphathi wami, my editor uNokubonga Dlamini, which I'm grateful for, ukuthi umuntu akwazi ukubona ukuthi no nangu umuntu angakwazi ukuthi asize in this newsroom mangabe ngingekho mina. So chips up editing nakhona futhi it's a lot of pressure, because we are matina weekend wenze ezinye izinto, you know, nifanele ukuthi la we edise nani ithumele, make sure ukuthi yonke into ihamba kahle. But it's been an exciting journey, and kuningi umuntu ahamba wakufunda wakucosha nakubuka ukuthi lokho this works for me, this doesn't work for me, because angakwazi ukwenza konke yabo. But uyakwazi ukubona lokho ukuthi I know this is my strength yabo, this is my weakness, but ake ngibona ukuthi i-weakness yami ngingayipusha kanjani ukuthi ikwazi ukuthi ibe ngcono.
Let me say officially siyambonga uNoluthando Mchunu for remembering you. The reason I say so, kunabantu abangathi bebona i-opportunity perfect for you, bakhethe ukungakutsheli. You understand? Ukungakutsheli at all. You understand? You know, so it is very important for us as human nature just to be able to open doors for other people.
Absolutely.
Just open doors for other people where you can. It takes nothing away from you. It doesn't mean if I open a door for Ntokozo Tembani, that means now mina sekuzo affecteka eyami success. It's not going to affect me. But my question is going to be on you now doing your field reporting. Because you were so scared, I'm a microphone maningi.
Kuningi baningi la. Abanye babo you grew up wabuka TV nangu sehleli la.
So now that's where I want to go. Now, do you remember just one public figure, mhlambe politician, owayehleli lapha an addresser unombuzo kodwa usaba wagcina umbuzile kwakubani?
Oh my. I think the premier of the province, the former premier, right?
Usihle Zikalala.
Yes, yabo.
Yes.
Uyabona yona iminyaka isihambile ukhona kwinto esibathi.
Yeah.
Uyabona to questions, anyone questions? But uyalubona uma bekhuluma nabanye, usibo is a cool guy, yabo, uyakhuluma. Yabo lokho usiqala isandla lokho siphamisa kancane. And I think umuntu maye uprima the angithi uhlale always aligned with political things because yena uyi-ANC. So sometimes uyasaba ubuza ama questions okuzobe ngibone ngathi uthi akahambisane ke manje nale statement asithulile because we are way obvious ukuthi mangabe uprima usuke ezothula leyo nto leyo azoyithula.
Uprima.
But phela naku sesimtholile.
Yes, kunesinye sokuthi usihlalo ngala.
Yes. Yabo sesifuna ukubona ukuthi ithini. Hayi, yabo isandla lokho siphamisa. Lokho siphamisa kancane. But uvalo mangabe lingakushayini anything that you love. Ngeke uzokwazi ukuthi uyenze kahle. So uvalo lami lakwazi ukuthi ligcinele ngiyeze courage ukuthi ngikwazi ukuthi even abanye ke even outside of the province ngikwazi ukuthi ngibe ne strength sokuthi ngibabuze because there are times I remember mangibamba even current affairs. Yabo current affairs mangabe engekho menelisi ndo at the time wayenza manje usekuyigagasa. Yo it's fine. This is the brief because well obviously we commercial radio producer uzokusendela brief of this is what we want to achieve ngale interview. And now I'm possible questions but now allowed to my follow up nine. Uyabona lana angu minister wa human settlement mama bolo kubai yabona lapho yena uyirelaxelana sa hayi intokozo urelease oh my god. And I remember at the time even ngibambile waku almost my man was the DA lead at the time and they were maybe like we province ngifana ngikhulume naye ku show current affairs what ngizothini ngingaphethi even when almost my man ayisizulu akasazi kahle so fanele uhlale esilungu.
Yes.
Why uhlale ngisakho sebethi the 10 I feel like ukwenza i-current affairs go broader than indaba because indaba zo 4 lines. The story is 4 lines or 5 lines or 3 lines depending on if sense of urgency or storyless. So i-current affairs you are having a conversation nomuntu fanele ngazothi uyamazi nje mhlawumbe ngihlale naye somewhere yabo. So ukuvuleleka nje ukuba outside field reporting kwangilekelela even mangenza ama stands ngikhululeke like if ngizokhuluma with anyone maybe it's a political leader or umuntu or minister no umuntu MEC no umuntu minister kwenza ukuthi ukhululeke. So field reporting builds that confidence in radio ukuthi labantu laba siyasebenzisana akufani nomuntu oyi-ordinary citizen. I'm a journalist, this is a political leader, uyangidinga nami ngiyamdinga, siyasebenza basically. So kuba lula ke to transition ukuza ngapha to build that confidence because already confident ibaluleke kakhulu. You need to be confident and comfortable, content with who you are, regardless of abantu abakuboni but fanele masikuza sithi wazayibamba le interview intoza. Yazwakala sasayithola izinto eziningi besingayilindele.
And sisakuyona i-field reporting siyasibona ama-journalist especially active form these relationships and ukhulumile nawe ngakho lokho ukuthi kubalekile ukufoma i-relationship. So I'm saying special activity because TV uzobona ama-clips mangabe bekhuluma bedlala off air you know beyixoxela lawo ma-clips asigcine siwatholile. So kubaleka nganani ukufoma lawo ma-relationships and how do you manage that relationship? Maybe let me give you context why I'm asking that question. Lo muntu we political figure u reporter ngaye sometimes izinto engazinhle kodwa une relationship naye, so how does that work?
Iba mnandi kakhulu ngoba uthi uqala nje khona ukuthi awukususa isigqoko soba impintshi ke manje ogqoke sakhe so politics. I think it's the best thing as a journalist that you can do for yourself. Not unless you want to die a journalist, yabo. There are so many other opportunities and other elements akhona emhlabeni outside of being a journalist. So if wena umuntu ngaso sonke isikhathi mawuzohlangana naye uzosebenzisana naye uzom-interview konke kube ngomsebenzi kuphela and awukwazi ukuthi build ama relationships a long term one because eredweni usebenza ngestory kufanele ube khona iclip. So khona abantu esengiba WhatsApp nje mina ngithi show me
yeah
so awubamene njani mfethu ayisaphile so ngiphi clip mhlawumbe yamcela ukuthi babume yasikhonde ngibone lapha endaweni ngicela uPaula kwakho WhatsApp on WhatsApp lo nto leyo bungeke uzuyenze if wena you gonna have the element ukuthi nje we journalist ngiyasebenza wena that's it awusa interact on a lighter element ngoba phela le relationship ayona yamanje iphelele manje fanele iqhubeke isikhathi wena siqhubeke so iyasiza ukwakha ama relationships because kwenza ukuthi umsebenzi wakho futhi uhamba ubelula you know ayikho into esingithusa mayenzeka because as soon as mhlawumbe mangibona ukuthi for example iRadio nangithi sihamba ngama angles uma ubhala story for example ngizothi ngiyavuka sengiyabona na headline to police have killed 6 suspects in Phoenix ngiyabona ukuthi okay I'm sure emsebenzini sebekhavile engele amaphoyisa but mina mhlawumbe already I know ukuthi uyazi njani ngizokhuluma neSanko inhlangano yangamelana abahlali sengisendlela sengimWhatsAppile ngithi awubantu seninjani kodwa ngimWhatsApp ngithi ngicela ungisendele iclip na amaphoyisa seqhubha umsebenzi omuhle evikela umphakathi ayithumele iclip you know kanjalo that's it so kubalekile it also makes umsebenzi wakho ubelula and ukwazi ube nawe futhi ube accessible as long as you keep at that professional level yabo futhi gcine kuba tricky ke umuntu wesifazane yabo because mhlawumbe uzosondela kakhulu mhlawumbe abanye abantu bangaze baku align nezinto ezithize ukuthi mhlawumbe yabo lo nanani but kubalekile kuyasiza kwenza iload ibelula because uyakwazi ukuthi ume uzothumela iclip usebenza wakho bebalula lapho ba smooth so i relationship nje abalekile because akwakhela ne contact base yakho uyakwazi ifunyakaza ukwazi ukuthi ngavele ngiyolundi nje mangisolula if I have to face any trouble yabo fanele ngazi ukhona umuntu yabo ongangisiza ngokobuntu nje regardless ukuthi whether ngiyintatheli na uyi-political leader but nje ngokusebenzisana to go in a long term.
You said unless you said kubalekile ukwenza ama relationships unless you want to die a journalist. What did you mean by that?
It's because when I don't want to die just a journalist. I feel like there's more to Ntokozo than just umuntu ofunda indaba noqoqa indaba. I don't just want abantu mabethi if when I'm no longer in this world because ngoba siphila sizohamba yabo so angifuni nje kube just a journalist I still want to do more but align with journalism because of ngisuka I was part of journalism and then ngase ngathuthukela to something else but I can't die just a journalist no.
So how will building relationships help, or rather having these relationships with political figures or your stories, people that are your stories, help you to get to where you want to get? That's what I'm trying to get.
Yeah, well, when you must work at that personal relationship umuntu uzokwazi ukubona status sakho MC emshadweni somewhere.
Okay.
They could have never seen it if awukho awuvulelekile to just being genuine and having a conversation regardless of whether siyavumelana noma sivumelana. Kwavele ngesoze savumelana. Njengoba kunamaqembu aphikisana nangaphikisana okay so khona GNU manje opposition but asoze savumelana ngayo yonke into but uyothi ngelela kathi uyazi khona lengane yasevuma yazi ngayibona uMC ake ngi you know there are many other opportunities you know there was this other time ngangivakashele isikole saseWaterloo Primary nje a few years back. So sifike we went to Davos business basendawo abanikela ngama sanitary pads nan so sahamba sasemaklasini so lapho at the time sihamba no live there's this other guy waka Love Life wathi ngathi ufacilitate facilitator kahle yabo igama esinje facilitate yacanga umuntu oserious lapha phambili mina yabo o serious yashadile what you should try it out facilitating yabo izinto mangabe uyisondeza nabantu eduzo kakho ungagcina usuyifunda ngawe because one thing I've learned over the years ukuthi kunezinto abantu abazaziwe ngawe wena ungazazi ngawe
fair
so wena ungayibona ula evuma and ngilana nje ngiyasebenza but there are people who are seeing greater wena and babona uqala nje like even ama voice over like into ungazi uyicabanga ukuthi umuntu yasi voice yakho I think izozwakala kahle awusenzele voice ngicabanga mina so angiyebhesi nje yabo so I know there are many other opportunities yabo ongawathola just uba uphume kwi comfort zone of being just a journalist yabo so let's ukhulu umuntu
sure I'd like us to come back sakona kwevuma now to reading news because we haven't touched on that because sikhuluma nge-field reporting. Reading news, it's something that as abantu abathanda radio sizwayo every time as listeners. What does it take ukufunda indaba ngoba ukuthi uzwe news reader kufike kushuyi joke hleke kuyadlala umuntu sekuzofunda indaba useserious straight. How does that happen?
It's I think for me understand ukuthi you only have 3 to 5 minutes to capture idlebe lomuntu osukela lele ekhaya. Excuse me, bafanele ukwazi ukuhlukanisa. Yabo umuntu ozohlala naye ema corridors.
Yes.
Base ngivale isicapha as soon as ngifama I say when that jingle goes I'm no longer that Togozo, that crazy loud bubbly Togozo. I need to represent myself, the brand, the stories that I'm telling because these are people's stories yabo fanele ngi understand ukuthi masengena la because so uyasibona istory soqala sikhuluma ngento mhlawumbe sensitive close to your heart buvele vele usibonile but thola ukuthi sovele sitriggerisha at that particular moment mawusufunda but must be able to capture umlaleli akwazi ukuthi oh was kwazwakala even mass sensitive you know siphile esikhathini esizima we abantu besifazane ingane ziyahlukumezeka abantu bayabulawa ngapha nangapha so izitori zibhlungu sule zwangena nje mayikwadlala ijingle imindset yakho isakho semhlabeni wakho nje awukwazi ukuthi ungaphazamiswa into seceleni. I remember I think few years back uma wangifonela kwaku 53 angifonela babe sengozini nobaba bangifonela ngiyofunda top of the hour bangithosa yabo nje kusana uscreen mama ushisana umsini ngifona lesi yebo ma wathi no sebenza inkosi indlela nobaba bakho kodwa ke manje yabo umuntu usuthi usaxoxa uthukile lapho na iclock la fanele ngifama headlines fanele ngisheshise ngiphinde ngirip ngibheka ama clips ama in order phelele akhona indaba zami in order and I went there and I read indaba zami mawusufika lapha usemhlabeni umfundi weindaba and that's it ukuthi uqhuzukile lapha uma wakho sengozini okwenzakaleni it's work yabo umsebenzi ngoba phela it pays ama bills akho yabo so fanele ukwazi ukuthi uyifundise composer it does get to you sometimes I think mina ngilimaza kakhulu ethi ingane volozo you know it gets to you mase uwedwa mase ugoduka ngibe uzukhona iburden ekhona but uyabona ukuthi oyilesa story man abantu banjani abayo so because phela nawo umuntu as much as usiqoqo sokuba intatheli and being a news reader at that time nawe phela kodwa umuntu nawe unabashana unazingane zamakhelwane nazihlobo so mase kwenzeka izinto ezibhlungu nawe kuyakulimaza as a person but you have to go to it and move
and yes with reading news ukuzwe I mean what is more challenging is if it's something that affects you personally sekumele ufunda ngazi ngifunde but I've seen it for instance I'm trying to recall I can't remember who was reading news kushone uPhel Shongwe on Metro.
Oh yeah. It was a very sad
so can you imagine you lost a colleague and it's part of the bulletin. And I was listening to I was watching a interview that Unati on Mekchi and bekhuluma about ukuthi kwafundwa indaba kwishow yabo ukakhabzela
Okushona kakhabzela.
engakashoni ukuthi uyagula and uphethwe igciwane lengculaza. At the time it was not even HIV, kwase kuyi-AIDS, it was full blown AIDS. And umuntu yasebenza naye and find out kwi-news bulletin. Can you imagine that as that news reader?
It's a lot. It's a lot. I think I have a recent incident. On Friday, my little brother ubulama Metro Police last year in August. So we felt I had to go. Like I told you story, and I wrote it. Yabonga skating isibhala. Ngangisabhala nje ngementality ukuthi I just want justice. Yabo mangisibhala. Uyasibhala. Then most uyasibuka futhi ususiri it hits.
Oh no.
Usuthatha iclip ke manje. Thatha iclip ka baba. Shothi umndeni ufuna justice, uyathatha, you edit it. It's your story, it's your brother. You know. You don't have a choice because fanele ukwazi ukuhlukanisa ukuthi uNtokozo Thembani oyindodakazi, Ntokozo Thembani wasenkonzweni, Ntokozo Thembani wabangani bakhe, Ntokozo Thembani oyi-journalist. And it's okay, yabo. As much as izwa buhlungu at that moment, but you have to, at the back of your mind, understand what it's my job, you know. And I was willing to do it nje, bengingenankinga. But mase sengisibhala, ngiphathi mase sengisizwa, even in-news reader, because umuntu that we're close to, mase sengizela message kodwa Ntokozo, yo, how can you make me read such, you know? Because ngivele ngayimagine yonke. It hits you very ibuyisele back picture ukuthi kwenzakalani, you know. It does affect you, Shema. It does affect you. You just need to thick skin, and then get your chance and cry. There's nothing wrong with combine emotions. Even at that particular moment, not unless it affects umlaleli, you know. Uyenze nje kahle so that inhliziyo yakho nawe ikwazi ukukhuleka.
I am a bit interested because you have touched on it. If you are comfortable, what kwenzakalani? I heard ukuthi ubhuti wakho uthi wabulawa ama-Metropolis. Is that what you said?
Yes. And last year, the 5th of August, my brother wehamba nabangani bakhe besuka e-Blue Lagoon going to Waterloo. So yena babehleli ngemuva evenini nge-Nike which is cousin wakhe nomunye umngani wakhe. Mabe traveler on the M4 northbound, just past Hyper. There was a conclusion of a roadblock, then kwasokaba khona ingozi. So imoto zayidivert, ayithatha right zijikiswa zibuyela phezulu zibuyela emuva. And mayibuyela emuva nababazi as soon as zibejika nje, they had gunshots. Babengekho sure ukuthi whether the plus minus 3 times. And balala phansi, mabalala bonke phansi kanje, mabalala phansi, they thought should bakwazi ukuyivika, kanti only to find out ukuthi by the time balala phansi already my brother was already shot ekhanda, you know, and already had passed on. Washonela khona lapho. And at that time ngangise Mabhida for i-do conflict. Mabengifonela, I got to the scene. Because the Metro Corp had used the AK-47, so it was straight Kanda. So it's been a year since Kwenzeka, but he has only been arrested this year in July.
The police who pulled the trigger.
Who pulled the trigger. And it's been a
so kusane trial isaqhubeka manje. Usazoqala trial.
Yes.
Okay.
Because he's only been sevele kabili on Friday. Bevele kwesibili. Nakhona because kunama loopholes. Imanje is asking a lot of questions ukuthi what caused the delay, ukuthi just to issue arrest after being disarmed of a weapon license on that day. It was such a brutal, you know, incident because abantu abaningi babebuza ukuthi uMetro udubula umuntu, you know, akujwayelekile uMetro Jabula umuntu why is Gebe, we have to respond, why is Gebe ngathi umuntu wakho wenzeni, you know. nawe unazo impendulo but
Yeah.
abantu ababekhona nabo bayasho ukuthi asazi kwenzakalani sayibona mase sijika sadutshula and sarealize ukuthi ayibongeke kusanele ngathi usedubulekile and base bamake and then try to call the ambulance
And did
nafika
even those police highway roadblock come to them after shooting?
no they didn't. One of the guys wayekhona emotweni bagijima babuyele emuva bayobatshela ukuthi sinomuntu osedubulekile cela nizosiza but bayes the very same inspector who killed my brother was there and wabezwa wathi siyeza it didn't come.
Yeah, because I'm saying the reason I'm asking from where I'm seated, if nithi bendubula ngoba mhlambe bebaleka whatever the reason, so ke sekudubulekile kisimile imoto kusho ukuthi phela ke kumele nize ke lapho ke and do an arrest, do whatever needs to be done, but that is why ngibuza ukuthi beza yini after the shooting.
Yes, because
Yabo.
Nama arrived a few minutes later,
Yeah.
they were not there. And futhi ngatshela ukuthi abafikanga bazanga bavele badlula nje ngemoto because they were next to the car. So
Okay,
if
no.
imoto yayisephutheni, they could have run bangena emotweni bathole backup bayijahe. Kunalokho shuthi decision yakho ukuthi amdobole ashonele khona lapho. I don't know, but we're just hoping
With
justice
justice.
will save.
Save.
And it's not even for us as a family, it's just for everybody else because mawubona ama-incident akanje it's clear ukuthi shoot ayenzeka and
Akumukelekile.
it's sometimes depend ukuthi ubani for you uzosilenzwa or lo muntu loyo wenze leyo nto powerful kanganani for it ukuthi isheshe or yenzeke because ngathola a lot of inboxes of abantu besho ukuthi as a similar thing happened samba nabangani bethu abanye babehlele emuva evenini badubuleka bonke but sasabona sesifike emlaso ukuthi badubulekile so you ask yourself shoot lento yenzeke somewhere ukuthi abazwanga baweza amakanjho but just didn't think ukuthi udubuleka abantu abahamba nabo.
Yeah.
So it's ama incidents abhlungu but hey it's part of impilo and we learn and obviously with time we heal.
Okay, I'm sorry to hear this story. I'm very sorry, but I hope and I pray that justice prevails. Khona konke ngoba sifuna ukuphazamisa ngoba it's a matter
Yes,
esenkantolo
it's a
so
matter, yeah.
angifuni sikhulume kakhulu. But there's something njengoba kade ukhuluma that's mina engibe ne-interest kuyona ngokomsebenzi wakho ke now going back to umsebenzi wakho. So you interview these different people and you mentioned ukuthi ugcina usunama relationship now. One of the challenges enibhekene now as journalist ukuthi abantu bayathanda ukugcina seben associate with ama-camps in politics even if you don't belong in them because ubonakale ushuthe no so and so shoot wena ni push agenda ka CR. I'm just making an example with the ANC for that matter, or ni push agenda of the MK party for how many times have you found yourself abantu bek associate with something that you are not associated to? It's just that when we are one with this human being.
I think ngokwenhlanhla yami lucky enough angaze ngi-experiment mhlawumbe bayikhulumela kuma-corridors I don't know mhlawumbe ukuthi I'm-associated to ubani because I've got friends abakuma-political parties ahlukahlukene and siyayizwanela ayihlangene nepolitiki really and futhi it has not even affected umsebenzi wami because into emnandi ngeredio kungcono akufani with amaphepha iphepha kune-accountability ehlukene nomuntu oseredweni because when you get a story, you write it, you have a clip to verify it, and then it's on air. But iphepha linesikhathi eside, there's over 1,000 words lapha uyanabo usabalale and ubhala nge-style esithize and usebenzela nawe at particular organization naye eyiranela i-agenda yayo nayo ngoba because one thing abantu abaningi abangayazi ukuthi ukusebenzela i-organization ethize ngisho kuthiwa i-opinion yakho ibaluleke nganani if it does not suit i-organization iyaphambana.
Yeah.
So ingakho kwesinye isikhathi thola ukuthi umuntu abantu babe confused usayibo but wena sikwazi kanje but this is a story and I'm supposed to write it yabo whether umuntu mhlawumbe onenkolo for example engahambisani mhlawumbe nabantu abathana nobulili ofanayo for instance. But mase edit wakhe sesebhala istory. Ubhala istory nangumuntu LGBTQI+ community ubulewe lapha. And that's it. You need to show sympathy. Go to those families and interview them. Interview the community of the LGBTQI, regardless of which wena awuhambisani nakho. You know. So I think irate kakhulu it's not so much ukuthi ugcina usu-aliniswa nabantu abathisi, but not unless mhlawumbe bayasho kuma-corridors. Ngiyazwana nabo nkosi yami abangani bami siyayizwanela nje.
Okuyicamp yethu.
No, you were campaign.
Ntokozo, I'm sorry to go back a little bit, but I think it's fair that I also just share my condolences to you. I can only imagine, the pain that you and the family went through when you lost your brother. I'm sorry that you guys are going through that. And I'm not going back to that story. Now, as a journalist, how did it come about you ending up having to cover that story? Did you choose yourself that you're going to cover the story? Or was it assigned to you by your bosses?
Luckily, because of time, I chose to do it because ingqondo yami esekutheni if lo msindo ngingawubangi angeke uzwakale ndawo futhi ngeke uzofike la ngifuna ukufinyelela khona, because the power of social media, the power of media. But because before we on social media, kwaba khona nje media, which is radio, television, nan. So mangase ngingayenzi, it's both on a personal level of wanting justice, and then at the same time wanting the story to be out there for those people abanaba experience the same brutality from amaphoyisa, to also see what yazi ngathi justice ngathi seyahlangana, give them some sort of hope, because kwesi isikhathi khona istory okusenze it's just a story, but it's a story that touches impilo zabantu nabo they've experienced izinto ezifanayo or similar or ecishe ifane or ehlukile but iyabathinta nabo or ithinta abantu abasondelene nabo. So it does help ukuthi kwesi isikhathi uqina isibindi nje ukuthi no, I know ngizoyenza. I just decided on my own that no, ngizoyenza, because I knew ukuthi ukuvela kwakhe vele kusanamantana izinto ezithile eshodayo, but let me write it. First, I'll write it. I'll interview my dad. I'm thinking I'll record it and then push it, and then see.
Sure. No, thanks for sharing that. Let's approach uqeda. But you just arrived.
I just arrived.
But before we go, you mentioned something ukuthi mobile story. Sometimes the story siges ngaisuthi maybe you didn't use these words, but I'll use these words. In narrative, your organization oyisebenzelayo. So, media companies, do they have narratives that they are pushing as well?
For example, with radio inabalaleli abathize in the target market yakhona.
Okay.
Every media house has a target market. Ingakho whether sibuka amaphepha, ingakho emaningi emangaka ingoba vele ama-agendas awo wonke are not the same. Futhi target market yakhona wonke it's not the same. Khona elesilungu, khona ele-Afrikaans, khona elesiZulu, khona elibhala ngokufushane, khona elibhala ngokunaba, khona elisebenzisa more pictures, khona elisebenzisa less pictures. Even in a radio at the same time, if we radio a commercial, fanele ukuthi mangabe ubhala istory kube istory that is commercial, a story that touches a broader audience, not just ilentuza ngaleso sikhathi. So iyona eqoqayo uhamba ngemthetho yakho, awuvele nje uvumbuke nestory ihamba, fanele sibone istory siyahambisana yini, does it align with iVuma FM. Ngeke uzubhale ngeke ubhale nge-community wonke umuntu azi kahle ukuthi they don't even listen to ilentuza, they relate even nabanye abantu abazobe besilalele leso story ngesibasize sibalekelele, so it's ihamba bese iba ne-balancing even with the language as well, because iKwaZulu Natal lento ibaleka kanani umuntu oKwaZulu Natal futhi oseThekwini izomsiza kangakanani, bese ke ihamba ibalance, because akufani even with language nangendlela okubhalwa ngayo nokusebenziswa kwama-clips ukuthi abangakanani abemade enganani fanele bengesiZulu mafanele bengesingisi so it's not the same yabo akenziwa ngendlela efanayo you know futhi nesikhathi yabo awukwazi ukuthi ungafunda i-bulletin yonke mhlawumbe sokuqala istory usothi shona abantu abawu5 engozini nomgwaqo but then esesibili bese sithi kudlengula ingane neminyaka engu9 bese sesithathu sithi umengameli ugxeka ubulaka amaphoyisa that's like yabo
it's all about killing and death
is so good there's balancing kune format ethize elandelwayo a style of writing ukuthi kubhalwa kanjani because ama radio session iba siba sithi story mhlawumbe clip sometimes abayisebenzisi but it's a particular format a particular angle futhi yakwazi ukuthi spread ukwazi ukuthi uyenze ngendlela ezahlukahlukene because i-radio as much as it break ama stories but iyaphinde futhi yenze ibe ne continuation
sure
yes because mawenzeka ingozi obviously you try and get someone ozo encourage abantu ukuthi baqaphele emgaqweni balandele imithetho yomgaqo right after leyo ngozi kanjalo so i-story asiboli yakwazi ukuthi extended to an extent of the format of the radio station.
Do you have any political parties that don't want to talk to you or talk to your station because they feel like you are always hard on them?
No, I think my elections are this year. Nabo mangabe bengavulekanga amehlo ngekaphinda avuleke. Give people what they want. You know, it's service delivery. Ibani neqiniso. Chazelana abantu ibani kubantu zinikezeni isikhathi nibe kubantu the other day bengihlala nje singagcina nje ukuze ikhansela limemeza isaziso siba nomhlangano
oh wow
sikhuluma ngento ukuthi and I feel I hope lama elections abe khona kulonyaka azokwazi ukuvula ingqondo so politics bethu particularly KZN ngeke ngikhulumele kwenye indawo ngoba ngaze ngihlale khona ukuthi amakhansela people who work on masipala understand the mandates they have ukuthi once wasuka kubantu azusabantu nabo bayabona ususukile kubona shuthi into zabo ngeke bazokwazi ukuyithola because we cannot have indawo eqhuma isitako for 2 weeks when we have umasipala when we have abasebenzi when we have a council ufuza abeli lo libone iqala before anybody else so I feel iGNU ayibavula amehlo babone ngempela umuntu nomuntu ayibona ukuthi am I doing my job properly ngikhansela ngaphanyiswa umphakathi ngiyavuka yini ngithi ukuthatha iwalk endaweni engiyisebenzelayo ngibona ukuthi ikhona inkinga ngizwe imhlangano ibamba ngenyanga you know so those are some of the loopholes engisho ukuthi ayi fanele kube khona ama corrections but we hope that GNU izokwenza sibavuleka amehlo kube khona ukusebenzisana.
Okay, yazi nje ukuthi ukhuluma ngekhansela elimemezayo like I said wow because actually I haven't had that in a long time.
But nawuhlala khona kumanyazelo. No.
Mhlawumbe sekukhulunywa ngo-WhatsApp asisho njalo. But here, I mean, in my area, in all honesty, I have not been invited in any meeting by a councillor. Let's be fair, I haven't. But mhlawumbe those uqinisile, you know, we grew up emalokishini, maybe mhlawumbe sahlala emalokishini, but sakhulela khona kwakumenyezwa. Angicabanga ukuthi kusamenyezwa emalokishini.
No, angeke ukwazi ukusho njalo aba uhlali khona.
Okay.
Akazi samenyezwa.
Akahlali khona naye akazi.
But also ngiyazazi mase ngenza kanje, but also angithi amakhansela anabantu asebenza nabo.
Yes.
Which are called ward committees. And because what is so huge and it got so many corners, I think ngiyavumelana kakhulu noNtokozo kubalekile ukuthi lama elections abavula amehlo they must have active ward committees because umsebenzi wawo ama ward committees to be able to pick up the issues on the ground and then report back to the councillor in their meetings.
Absolutely.
100%.
Absolutely.
I saw a headline about you and I could not read the story. Maybe it's not about you. You'll tell me if it's about you. It's on Daily Sun.
Oh, okay.
It was January this year, 31st of January. It says radio reporter find finds love behind the scenes.
Oh yes,
Is that about you?
yes. It is about me. We were talking about the show that I produce, Sunday News Rap, that airs between 7 and 8 every Sunday evening, hosted by Uzowa Kembata, and on production Uneo Potwan. Those are my guys, and it's a show about. It was pitched by my programs manager of Sishanga Seshuti. He sees Uguti South Africa is a getaway to other African continents. So singenza kanjani sibe nohlelo la khona sizokhuluma ngezinto eyithinta South Africa but touches amanye amazwe kwi-continents as well as the globe. So it's a show about engagements athinta amazwe angaphandle. I'll give you an example. Mhlambe nje currently in Zimbabwe, they're experiencing a lot of violence against some activists akhona because bekuzoba khona i-SADC summit this weekend. So bayabe beboshwa kakhulu, about over 200 aboshiwe kuthiwa angasaphazamise i-SADC summit. So it was abantu abakanjalo. Then we'll have maybe like a human rights activist, yes, in Zimbabwe, will engage with him ukuthi sinjani isimo eZimbabwe, because obviously South Africa has relations with Zimbabwe. We'll engage about that, sizwe ukuthi kuhamba kanjani isimo on the ground. Or just recently in Kenya, young people are protesting against Uputo, the president of Kenya. So nakhona we'll speak to activists or journalists in Kenya, sizwe ukuthi kuhamba kanjani eKenya. And also in Nigeria recently, but kusanda kuyibhilidi kwashona abantwana in school. We'll understand ukuthi Nigeria is high incidence of amabhilidi awayo. So we're lucky to even get unjiniyela wakhona in Nigeria ukuthi they try to engage with the government ukuthi hayibo akungakhiwa kanje akakhiwe kanje because of weather conditions nenhlabathi yase Nigeria. So kuningi esikwenzayo, or whether we find somebody from the UK. Sizukade kuvota nje this year, we had somebody from the UK or activist khona simbuza ukuthi abantu abavota e-UK who are South Africans, how excited they are asikhulumise nabo. So it's a show basically about the athinta but on a broader level.
Link that with the headline. Radio reporter finds love behind the scenes.
Cause now I thought ukusho ukuthi sesinosibari.
Where I put my
That's what I thought.
Unfortunately, Shem, no, akekho usibari cha. No, it's just love of being behind the scenes.
This journalist is crazy.
It's exciting. Mangabe uma content produce. If you're mom DJ lohlelo and mausulalele ukuthi this is what I wanted to come out. You know, you find this person or activist in Kenya, and then some interviews or work, and you now sulalele. I'm like, that's me. I did that. Uthole imune lo amuntu lo, you know. And I think ukwenza leya show kungifundisa iziningi ukuthi sometimes labantu abathi siyavilapha ngibale ngibuye ngibakhole, because these people you find them on social media. You DM him on Twitter, aphendule manje athi aphendule manje. I respond as quick as possible. I remember there was an incident where I interviewed we tried to find Minister of Affairs wase eBotswana. Remember the ngozi yase washona khona abantu base Botswana ngesikhathi sephasika.
Oh yes.
A whole minister ngamdm akuthi waphendula what apologize for responding late. I'm like ayibo akekho Minister of South Africa wamdm waphendula well but
no nendamba zabo bona awudinga uba DM.
Ngiyaphosela nje ukuthi ababe mo kubantu.
Mina ngibele ngingakubona.
Kuyasetshenzwa, you know. It's exciting to see they are so active.
Yeah.
You know.
Abangifake ku-GNU. Ngibele ngingakubona.
Bazophendlela vele kuhlala kuthulule kade bethululwa abanye mhlawumbe uzongena kulabo 18 abathululiwe.
Okay.
News reading, field reporting, producing. What am I leaving out?
Editing news.
Editing news. All between those four things, what do you like the most? In fact, maybe if you can arrange it from what you like the most to what you like the least.
Currently content producing, because of the contacts ngiyabona nje phone yami iyagcwala, and I'm excited to even visit these countries. excited to even have panels of speaking to these people. So it's content producing. I love it. You know, then it's field reporting. I love going out, capturing stories, and being allowed to find your own angle. Yabo uthi noma mina ngizosingena kanje, noma singabaningi kanjani as journalists there, but mina ngizosingena kanje lesi story, and it come out mawusulalela no, I wrote that. You know, I did that. Ngimini ngibuze lo mbuzo, yabo. So it's the second one, and then
so kule yesibili awukazi ujahwe
no, she beyazi bake bajaha sasihamba nabo. No, angikaze shema angikaze ngijaha.
Okay.
Ama-sensitive matters no angikaze ngijaha. So it's that yesibili. And I think news reading cool, and I mostly enjoy news reading. Besides ukuthi vele angifundanga ey'koleni right, isilungu sami vele asikho sharp. But I love ukufunda indaba ngolimi lami lesiZulu. So I would love yabo mhlambe nakhona futhi kibe ne-growth nakhona I will accept it mayikhona, especially with ulimi lami lesiZulu. Indaba shothi zo number 3 then editing. Because the editing ikunikeza that power of ukubona indlela umqondo womuntu uthi becabanga nje about isibhala, and then you move it around, make sure ukuthi be format, because ubhala iy'tori zabantu abahlukahlukene who come from different backgrounds, who have different experiences bekhona eredweni or being journalists. So fanele usiphendule usenze usilungise sibe yilento iVuma FM eyona.
Second last question before Kotwana Sibulani.
Yeah.
How is it not difficult to read news shows celebrity presenters?
Well, there are many incidents that I've experienced because I've been with iVuma this is my 10th year. So there are many incidents. I won't go to politics, but we umsakazi we're very much particular ukuthi ufuna bathi no ngimfuna Ntokozo. Kwisho yami ngifuna Sibani. Lapho wena awuyilethanga la ubeka umphathi wakho, but there are many incidents I've experienced mina ngokwami uqobo lami we abasazi abathize akamfuna uNtokozo lapho.
ubani usho njalo wathi akafuna
umsakazi mangabe a celebrity phela mhlawumbe mayifuna umfundo wendaba othize, it does happen, shame it does, but I've also met amazing people engangibabukela kude ngitshela ukuthi hayibo, you know, and they appreciate icraft yami as much as ukuthi ngisaqhubeka futhi ngisafunda, because I'm not perfect. Ngisafunda, and okunye ngikwazi, okunye ngiyakwazi, okunye ngiyaqonda, okunye ngiqonde. So I've experienced mhlawumbe nje incident 1 or 2, but yeah, otherwise it's been great.
Cool. It's Women's Month. What's your message to women?
My message to abantu besifazane, I think in our 20s, I want to speak to the younger ones, because I feel abantu besifazane siyalahleka kakhulu in our 20s, early 20s. I feel kubalulekile ukuthi uyithande as umuntu besifazane as early as possible. Show yourself love as early as possible, so that ungadidiswa ezinye izinto. Because mangabe ungayithandanga early umuntu besifazane, ziningi izinto ezingakudida, izinto ezingakulahlekela. Because one thing I live by ukuthi awukwazi ukukhetha izinto ezizeke empilweni yakho, but ungakwazi ukukhetha indlela oresponda ngayo kuzona. So umuntu osifazane uyithandayo, ziningi izinto ozosibani abanye bebezenza uthi mina no, I'm not part of that, you know. If umuntu mayiphoqa esimene esithize, ungakwazi ukuthi usheshe ubone ukuthi no, this is not love, you know, because uthando likwenza ubone izinto ngendlela ehlukile. Because you know how you want yourself to be treated, you know how you want yourself to be loved, to be cared for, to be taken care of ngendlela nawe ofuna ngayo. Because I think sinezimo ey'ningi esibhekana nazo sabantu besifazane, whether we don't love each other nje bakuhlale kushiwo ukuthi azizwani, it's because we lack that. Because as soon as wena wangekho concerned with who you are, uzosima ubona uNtokozo, ubona ukuthi uNtokozo ukhompyutha nawe, wena uyikhompyuthela wena uNtokozo uyiphelela impilo yakhe, you know. Akakunaki ngisho nokunaka, futhi mhlawumbe uyakuhlonipha even more than when you think, yabo. So even the issue of gender-based violence, I feel if we can love ourselves early as women, there are many things that's going to overcome, because simbogoda and we're powerful. You know, so let's give ourselves love, so that sizokwazi ukuthi singagcini silimala lento ukuthi asizwani sabantu besifazane, ugcina uhlala ebudlelwaneni ongekho happy kubona because you don't love yourself enough to come out of it and know what this is not what I deserve, this is not right, you know. Because awukho comfortable for who you are and what you're about, then ugcina usuhlala usubekezela and ugcine sesingcwaba, you know. So just love yourself.
Oh, thank you for that message. Beautiful.
Thank you guys.
Beautiful.
And thank you for coming.
Thank you for having me, guys. Ngiyabonga kakhulu, ngiyabonga nje ukuthi ningimeme nami, you know. I've seen it on social media. Ngisho nje ukuthi inkosi yami.
One day.
What day? Into ngithanda futhi angiyicelelanga ningimemile. No, angicelanga ngisacela ningi-interview.
Oh, yes. That's very true.
Yes.
Akekho kodwa awayicelela ne. Kubo bonke sesike saba.
Yeah, perfect.
Sisabazibila abayicelelayo.
Bahle kakhulu. Nami ngiku-train right. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. I think even ukubizwa nje nina makes you realize how far you've come in your journey, yabo.
Yes.
And ikwenze futhi at the same time, no man, the next time I have this type of interview, I want to add more value in my story as uDokozo Thembani. So it's exciting. Ngiyabonga kakhulu, ngiyathoba. Thank you so much. I hope my story touches someone and changes their life.
It will
It
definitely
was a beautiful story. Thank you so much for sharing with us.
Thank you.
We ready to lala kanjani ngekhathi zini?
Lately, no, I'm
You
more
don't-
with field kakhulu.
okay.
Yes, I'm more with field kakhulu and also content producing. So no,
Yeah, ngisho even ama shows involved kuwona so ro producer
Yes, I produce ishow yango Sunday between 7 and 8 ebusuku. Yona ngiproduce, I produce nje mina, and then mangibona nje kusami emgaqweni field reporting sibheke indaba nakhona, but then sometimes ngaba nenhlanhla mawuvula uvuma 103 FM ongizwe ngiyifunda indaba.
Thank you for sharing. We love what you do. Happy Women's Month and
Thank
keep
you.
doing what you're doing.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Great stuff. You know, uNtokozo njengoba nje kade khuluma ngendaba bengibuza indaba yakwasakazi ukuthi kunzima. I mean, khona nabasakazi abangafuni ufunda indaba. It's something that we've seen even now with community radio. I'm not sure if you've experienced it, but you have never.
No.
Really?
I've
Stop
never.
phela uNtokozo.
No. Not that someone would not
Yeah,
want
he
me, but I would know. But you would know ukuthi uSibanibani afuna ukusebenza noSibanibani.
Uyayini celebrate uNtokozo.
Uyena ngafuna ukusebenza nabantu.
Ngingaba nenkinga naye. Not even a single one.
But you had presenters or I prefer. Like in newsreader, you know what I prefer Spanban over Spanban.
No, but I've never been mean to anybody.
I know.
Because I think that will be
But-
mean.
but you've-
you see, uTebogo Smith, your friend.
Yes.
Wafikela kumina ezofunda indaba kwi-Drive.
Yes.
And I welcomed her, and we are still friends until today.
Yeah, because it's just that you preferred her. What about the other one?
No, I never preferred.
No, they also understood the mandate of being a presenter because I
Yes.
feel like ma we present, just do your show. Ukuthi ubani ufunda indaba, ubani ufunda sports. It's really none of your business, really. Yes, show mase package when the only thing ongayenza, give somebody a chance, and then mhlawumbe ngemva kwesikhathi you can wire programs manager wakho because vele kwamina njengoba nge-news read angireport wena njengoba
now we're having a full-on discussion. but umuntu presenter is saying, I'm putting my name on that show. I'm playing a devil's advocate here.
Absolutely.
It's my name. And now umuntu ofunda indaba uma ngabe kuwukuthi mina naye asiconnect and indlela afunda ngayo indaba angiyithandi, it's my show that is at stake. Umuntu ohlale ekhaya akazi ukuthi news department is a different department. Therefore I have a right to say ngimfuna uSibanibani.
But I think for me it's the manner of the approach, manager approach ukuthi uyi-channele kanjani. Akufanele bekhona umuntu olimalayo because when ungathi angiyifunde kahle indaba kwena, but uNtokozo will be like, no, I love Ntokozo's voice. I think I add the element on my show. What you do not like, somebody likes it. What's not better to it's better to somebody else. So I think a level of communication ngendlela mhlawumbe ongayidlulisa ngayo kumuntu engamlimaza, kufanele imlimaza because into kanjalo it depends how self-motivated you are as a person. Mangabizwa or ifike emadlebeni apho because nami ngayizwa ayi ukuthi ngatshela ebusweni mhlawumbe nje cha ngayizwa nje yabo ukuthi ayi cha ka prefer iwara I'm like hey well I'm going now ngibeke la mase sekufika isikhathi ukuthi kusuka ngizosuka.
Should we start calling names ukuthi ubani?
Hey bo
Breakfast 9 to 12, 12 to 3, 3 to 6. Let's get out of here. It's podcast radio and stuff. Remember to subscribe, comment, share, like. I'm Tebego Kuluse, never alone.
Ntokozo Trafa.
We're out of here.